Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. Let's hear the headlines first. Ranveer Singh sets thirst trap with his series of new pictures. Katrina Kaif is staying fit and injury-free in lockdown for Ali Abbas Jafar's superhero action flick. Deepika Padukone finds mental health discussion heartening after comedian Danish Seth opens up about his struggles. I became an actor because I had a problem. Sushant Singh Rajput's 2016 speech about becoming an actor and meaning of success goes viral. Oscar 2021 delayed by 2 months amid coronavirus pandemic. I know the pain because I have been through it, says Shamita Shetty, talking about her battle with depression. After Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, Saif Ali Khan says pretending to care is the ultimate hypocrisy. Sanjay Dutt is missing his wife and kids, leaves an important message for those with their families. Farhan Akhtar mourns the loss of Sushant Singh Rajput through his heartbreaking poem. And lastly, MS Dhoni is shattered over Sushant Singh Rajput's death, says Neeraj Pandey. These were the headlines. Let's jump into the details news now. Bollywood celebrities are counting their regular lives amid lockdown even when restrictions have been lifted. As the film productions have been shut down indefinitely, Bollywood celebs have been utilizing their time to learn new hobbies, read scripts, work on their fitness, and indulge in some cooking among their things. Ranveer Singh has been spending time with his wife Deepika Padukone, as the latter has been cooking delicious foods. Amid quarantine, every few days the actor pictures or goes live on Instagram. On Saturday night, he shared a series of pictures on his Instagram stories, flaunting his long hair and no beard. The black and white pictures left the fans wanting more. It was recently when filmmaker Ali Abbas Jafar confirmed the news that he is indeed making a big-budget superhero film with Katrina Kaif. The filmmaker said that it has about the time women took center stage in the superhero genre in India. Speaking to Daily, Ali revealed that he started writing the story after 2017 blockbuster Tiger Zinda Hai, where Katrina showcased her powers in action. He knew she had the body and type to pull off a full-blown action project. Actor Deepika Padukone is finding the discussions around mental health heartening as people are openly speaking about their struggles. Comedian and actor Danish Seth spoke about his struggles and shared it on social media. However, Deepika also shared an important piece of advice for everyone sharing their issues on the internet. My third year through therapy and antidepressants, I don't sleep at night without taking my Cipralex tablet. Depression doesn't look like anything, it makes you feel like nothing from within. Hard to describe, harder to understand. Doctor professionals have been my only hope, Danish Seth wrote on Twitter. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput's untimely demise has left the nation in shock. The actor died on suicide at the age of 34 on June 14th. His last rites were performed on Monday, June 15. As tributes are pouring in for the actor, his moving speech from 2016 has gone viral on social media. So, excuse me if I falter. Excuse me if I get a panic attack right now, he said at IIT Bombay in 2016. I come from a middle class family, and when I was growing up, money was a big differentiator in my life. My family told me I had to become an engineer. Once I am an engineer, I can try the civil services examination, and that will be opening the doors for all kinds of happiness, said the actor. Finally, I sludged and got admission in Delhi College of Engineering. I became an actor because I had a problem, he said. The actor started his career as a background dancer after of Shamak Davar's Institute. Then he went on to do supporting roles on television before being led to Ekta Kapoor's Pavitra Rishta. Since then, he started in several stories and movies. Coronavirus pandemic, various events like Cannes and Emmy Gala, Tony Awards, Emmy and festivals have been cancelled or postponed to avoid large gatherings. With that being said, it seems like the Academy has decided to postpone Oscar 2021. The award show was scheduled to happen for February 28, 2021, but now has been delayed by 2 months. Actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death by suicide has once again started a conversation around the importance of mental health. Over the years, several actors, including Deepika Padukone, has opened up about their battle with depression. Now, actress Shamita Shetty has opened up about depression in her latest social media post. Depression, any one of us can go through it. Recognize it, accept it, and reach out for help in whichever way we can. It can pull you into a very dark place where hope and happiness doesn't exist. It tries to break you. It finds or it feeds on every part of your soul. Everything hurts. You become your own worst enemy in this dark, terrible world. It becomes your reality. The world we live in doesn't know your journey. Yet, it's so prompt to judge, she wrote. After the demise of Sushant Singh Rajput, Saif Ali Khan has expressed his anger on people who have suddenly started pouring love on the former. In an interview with Daily, Saif Ali Khan said that he feels that people are gaining some mileage from this tragedy. Saif Ali Khan said that nobody cares for anyone and their line of work is very cutthroat. He said that to pretend that you care in the ultimate hypocrisy, and he thinks that it is an insult to the death. It's been over 2 months that actor Sanjay Dutt last met his wife Manyata and their 2 sons twins. The mother and kids had traveled to Dubai before the COVID-19 pandemic in India and are still there. On Tuesday, Sanjay took to Instagram post and posted a throwback picture that shows him sharing smiles with his children and wife. I miss them so much. To everyone who is with their families right now, cherish them, Sanjay captioned the image. Actor filmmaker Farhan Akhtar has penned a poem mourning the untimely demise of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. Farhan took to Instagram on Tuesday to share the poem. Farhan's poem seems to be a dig at the hypocrisy of Bollywood and its behavior towards industry outsiders, as he compares it with a circus and talks about crocodile's tears. He wrote, "Sleep, my brother, sleep. Let the vultures gather and the crocodiles weep. Let the circus performs, juggle, contort, bow and leap. Let the shrill get higher, let the darkness in the hearts of men get deep. Sleep, my brother, sleep. R.I.P. Sushant." Sushant Singh Rajput ending his own life has stirred a whole new debate of mental health in Bollywood. MS Dhoni, whose biopic was nailed by Sushant, is in deep shock after hearing this news. Sushant Singh Rajput came very close to Indian cricket team's GM MS Dhoni while he was shooting for the biopic. From his looks to his style, Sushant mimicked everything and was appreciated for the same. In fact, while Sushant Singh Rajput was practicing in the nets for the biopic, legend Sachin Tendulkar saw him and thought he should be playing in real life as well. Folks down at Indian Express contacted Arun Pandya, MS Dhoni's agent, and here is what he said. The reason he could play the role well was that even before he was part of the movie, he idolized Dhoni. He was a kind of inspiration for him. Sushant wasn't the person from the industry. He took him from a small town like Dhoni.